Hello and welcome to part 3 of Puzzle 4, Rainy Walk in Good 1,000 piece wooden puzzle. We'll conclude this puzzle with this part 3, and right now we're working on section A, and then we're going to go to B, and then C, and then D, and then this puzzle is done. So please watch and enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, Group A, complete. See? Complete. On to Group B, right? After A is B. Let's do it. Man, section B was challenging, but we got her done. Looks great, but I think that was one of the slowest sections so far. Was B. It just seemed like when pieces shouldn't be fitting, it would fit, and it would seem that when pieces that should fit wouldn't fit. And I think that a lot of that has to do with the various colors of this section of the puzzle. Let me show it to you real quick. So as you can see, look at all that splodge of color. When you think it would be a red, it would be blue, and when you think it would be a blue, it would be a green, and it was just kind of crazy. But boy, it's beautiful, really beautiful. That's section B, A, B. Now we're gonna go to C, and then finally D. So this puzzle is coming together. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's start the second to last section, section C. And then the last one, section D. Let's get started on C. Section C is done. It was challenging, but we did it, and it looks great. I'll show it to you real quick. Let me show you something better. Let me do better than that. All right, section C is done. Look at the colors. Look at the colors, really something else. Once again, tricky though, tricky because you think something goes and it doesn't go, so it makes it a little tricky, but the challenge is part of the reward, like I said. Now we just have one more to go. Section D. And we are done with this beautiful Rainy Walk in Good 1,000 piece wooden puzzle. Let's get it done. Last piece. Drum roll, please. All right, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we have finished the Rainy Walk 1000 piece ingooood wooden puzzle. It was challenging. It was the right amount of challenge for Superdan, breaking it up into 8 groups and putting it together. And never at one time was I going crazy, but it was challenging. If you want the extreme challenge, don't use the letters on the back. You'll be working on this puzzle a very long time. But we've completed it. I'd say it probably took Superdan probably about 11 hours in total, I would guess. Great puzzle, great looking puzzle. Let me show it to you. So here's the puzzle in all its glory. The Rainy Walk ingooood puzzle. And there's a box right there. And there is the painting. Beautiful, beautiful painting. The artist really captured the feeling and the beauty and the splendor of taking a walk in a park when it's raining at night. Really good job. Very, very nice indeed. Very colorful. Love it, love it, love it. So, that concludes puzzle number 4, Rainy Walk ingooood puzzle, 1000 pieces. It's always going to have a special place in Superdan's heart, for it's the last puzzle I did with my dog Hula Pie, golden retriever, who unfortunately passed away on June 2nd. She does make an appearance in the first part of the video. And it's been hard for Superdan, you know. I didn't just lose a dog. I lost a best friend. I lost a second daughter. I was very close to this damn dog. So just bear with me as we move forward with all the other videos. I haven't done the Pravada Cigar Club video on my other channel. I haven't done really much of anything on that channel. We will at some point. I just need some time. And also, I've been super busy at work. If you don't know already, I'm a dealer on the Strip and with the World Series of Poker in town. Superdan's been working overtime. So, but we'll get there, right? We always get there eventually. I mean, we've completed this puzzle in the midst of all that. And gorgeous puzzle it is, indeed. So the next puzzle, I'm going to give you a little teaser. It is by maybe not such a well-known artist. I don't know if you've heard of him or not. He did some paintings here and there, but really didn't get super famous till after he died. This was taken in, I think he did this one in 1888 in France. We're talking about Vincent Van Gogh. We're going to do Vincent Van Gogh's Terrace at Night. That wasn't the original name for this painting, but that's what it ended up being named. It was either this or the Night Cafe, the one with the pool table. One of my 2 favorite paintings by Van Gogh. There's a lot of paintings I like by him, but those were 2. So this is going to be a challenging one for sure. It's a Clementoni puzzle, an Italian-based company. Been around since 1963. I don't know if they've been doing puzzles since 1963, but they've been around since. An Italian company, family-owned, which is cool that I'm learning about this Jigsaw puzzle companies. A lot of them are family-owned and still in business. Which makes you go, interesting, isn't it? Isn't that interesting? So we're going to work on this as soon as I take care of this other puzzle, the Rainy Walk. And we'll start the Van Gogh puzzle very shortly. Terrace at night. Thanks for watching Superdan Jigsaw Puzzles. If you haven't already, click the thumbs up, subscribe. We're up to 4 already, so we're gaining subscribers. We're gaining in the army. Comment down below. Support the channel. Lots of ways to do it. And I will catch you guys on the next puzzle, puzzle number 5. Wow, we're on puzzle number 5 already. Amazing. Cheers.